Who said that? Something's telling me I should mow the lawn. Okay. Okay, I hear you, ghosts. What's going on, everyone? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. I'm gonna mow the front lawn, give it its first mow, and I'm actually doing it against my own will. And the reason I say that is because the weather is dictating that I cut the grass today. Now, I'm only cutting the main lawn, not the strip, because the strip overall is still below the 4-inch line. Some of it's not quite above the 2-inch mark. And I want to mow everything at 3 inches, so I'm going to give that area a little more time to grow. But on the main lawn, most of it's over 3 inches. Some of it may be a little over 4 inches. I'm going to mow it down to 3 inches. So I'm only doing the main lawn for this first mow. You know, Alan Hain, I actually watched a video recently from Alan Hain, and it's a video I watched before. Sometimes I'll go on YouTube and I'll like re-watch videos I've already seen. And this one was like how to repair an ugly lawn. I was just watching it mainly just to have something on. And he actually talked about having common sense. Now, normally I wanted to wait a little while before I did this first mow. I wanted to wait another few days, maybe another week or so. But the next 4 days are just rain, between 40 and 80% chances of rain for the next 4 days. It's between 40 and 80% chances of rain, and you never want to do your first mow when the grass is wet. I actually haven't watered the main lawn all day today to let it dry out just a little bit, make it a little bit better for me to mow, a little bit safer for me to mow, and a little bit safer for the grass. And then I'll resume watering tomorrow depending on what when the rain is going to occur. So it's just getting on, getting off. I'm going to try to make it as cinematic as possible while trying to be quick to get on and off the grass. But anyway, and then this Saturday I will actually still be applying the second application of X-Start fertilizer, because you do 3 pounds per thousand when you overseed. Then you do 3 weeks later, you do another 3 pounds per thousand, and then like a month or so after that you can resume your normal fertilization. So I still will be doing that on Saturday, and I'll be timing it with the rain to help water it in. So anyway, enough of me talking, because I gotta get to mowing because the days are short. So the mow is done. The first mow is over, and it actually looks really good. Way better than last year because it's the second year, so more seed. There are still some thin areas, some problem areas that we worked on. See a lot of the white spots, that is all wild onion or wild garlic, one of the two. And let's look at some of the thin areas. As with most lawns, along the driveway is always the spot that just struggles. It's definitely warmer along here. I'm not battling, but this is just where I had a thicker concentration of weeds. And so the grass is just slower to grow here. But along the driveway is always, no matter what's going on, it's always more of a problem spot. I need to prune these a little bit, but look at those mums, man. Look at these orange mums. Ooh-wee, look at those. Man, those turned out real nice. I've shied away from this area just because you got to sort of walk along the grass, and so I haven't walked back here. I definitely need to prune. But man, look at these. These are beautiful. This is the area where I put down the black cow. You can tell, black cow, just darker. This area was never a struggle, really. It was thin, but this is the area where it was really bad, where I was saying I had the moss. If you watch that video where I threw down the black cow, you can see overall, I mean, when you're looking at it like this, you can tell it's a little bit thin. It definitely looks better than it did. But when you get up closer, you can kind of still see definitely thin in a lot of areas. Definitely along the flower bed's always a struggle. This area has always had really bad moss. So I'm thinking it's definitely 100% a pH balance issue. She is looking mighty fine. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. The first mow is always the most nervous mow, just because you have to be on and off. You know, you feel like you're gonna pull a chunk of turf out because you're gonna slip or something like that. So it's always very nerve-wracking. You also want to make sure you don't damage it, but I mean, this is the best my lawn has ever looked. Like I said, because it's the second year of it, there's still some problem areas and areas that will still thicken up over time. I'm hoping in another week or two the area by the mailbox will be ready and that the strip will be ready for its first mow. But this Saturday I will throw down some fertilizer, the second application of X-Start fertilizer, and so that's really going to make everything look awesome. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment below about how your first mows went, if you did an overseed and you had your first mow. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. You have an awesome rest of your day, and God bless.